Hello, welcome to the Gatekeeper video series. My name is Aaron Bieber. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to invite Active Directory users to use Gatekeeper. So to get started, we're going to head over to the Gatekeeper page under Security and Gatekeeper. Here's a portal that we added in a previous video. This is a Active Directory backed portal. And we're going to go ahead and manage users. We have no users currently because we need to invite them. So we click Invite Users. Here's a login. This is a login for a user in Active Directory that has permission to query Active Directory for more users. So in this example, we're going to use administrator. And we're going to go ahead and click Retrieve User List. As you can see, we've been presented with a QR code. Doing any kind of admin tasks that involve accessing your Active Directory is something that we want to protect as much as possible. So we enforce multi-factor for logging into this. There is a grace period on this, so once you've entered your one-time password, we won't ask for it again for, I think, 3 hours. I can't remember the exact time, but it should be enough time to get your invites in and continue along with work. So let's go ahead and copy this to our clipboard, and then we can paste it down here, get our one-time password, verify that. All right, so here's a list of all of the users in our Active Directory. So we're going to invite them all. So select all, prepare the invites, and let's go ahead and invite users. All right, so here is our successful invitation. From here we can send out the invites via email, or we can download it or copy these individually and send them over instant message or something. For more information on that process, check out the Sending Invites video. All right, thanks for watching.